So what's up YouTube? Welcome back to JebMan316 Custom YouTube channel. I'm your host JebMan316, your pop culture reporter, and welcome back to the latest horror pack unboxing. We got the Blu-rays, we got the DVDs right here for you. I'm gonna open them up. I've only cracked open the box and took off my address label. I haven't actually looked at them, so we're gonna find out what's in there together. So before we do that, do me a favor, go ahead and hit the like button or the dislike, it doesn't matter. Whatever your opinion is, the activity is all that matters. Like I said, once you do that, make sure you subscribe to the channel. And then once you're a subscriber, and I appreciate everybody who's subscribed already, make sure you hit the notification bell and you'll be the first to know when I post new movie reviews, toy hunts, toy reviews, movie hunts, everything pop culture related. That's what we do here. So let's get into the latest horror packs. Let's go. So like I said, we're going to open up the latest horror packs. I'm pretty sure by the size of it, yeah, this is the DVD, so we're going to do those first. Going to put it in my lap, and we're just going to pull them out one at a time. So what do we got here? Scout's Guide to the Zombie Apocalypse. This is a movie I already own on Blu-ray. I don't have it on DVD, so it's a really good movie, though. I really recommend watching this if you haven't watched it already. There's the front cover. Here's the back. Like I said, if you haven't watched it already, I recommend this movie. Like I've already got it on Blu-ray, so maybe this will be a giveaway one day. You never know. So what's the second movie? Relic. This is a movie I know I own and I've seen it multiple times, so definitely don't need this one in the collection. I already have it, so man, you got 2 for 2 on movies that I already own. So there's the back cover. This is a decent movie. It's nothing great. Penelope Ann Miller and Tom Sizemore. That was when Tom Sizemore was pretty popular. Says Cisco Neera gave it 2 thumbs up. I haven't watched it in a while. I think I'll leave it sealed though. That way, like I said, maybe I'll do a giveaway. And there's 2 options right there since I already have both of those. Please give me something I haven't gotten. I might just have to eventually cancel the DVD subscription because I've already got a lot of these. Oh, finally something I don't have. Circle of 8. They've Been Expecting You. I've never heard of this movie. Anybody out there heard of this movie? It says all new version you didn't see online with the alternate ending. So online, I wonder what this streamed on. Secrets, Passion, Redemption, Murder. When Jessica moves into the Dante, a historic and eerie building in downtown Los Angeles, she finds an eclectic mix of new neighbors eager to welcome her into their bohemian world. Or are they? As Jessica races to unravel the mystery behind a chain of horrifying deaths that she seems to see, she'll come face to face with the chilling truth behind her connection to the Dante. Welcome home, welcome to the Circle of 8. Sounds similar to 1408. And who is this? It's DJ Qualls, man. I don't know if you remember that guy. Right there. He was in some comedies, I think like Road Trip. What happened to that guy? So either way, but that's one movie at least I'll be able to enjoy. Brand new, never seen it. So what is the final movie? Red Eye, Rachel McAdams and Cillian Murphy. A killer of a thriller. This is the widescreen version. I own this on digital. They haven't released it on Blu-ray. So I don't think I own this DVD. So at least I'll have a DVD copy of it. And I'll keep it until whenever they decide to release them on Blu-ray. So 2 good ones, 2 bad ones. These are the ones I already have. These are the ones I don't. So we're 2 out of 4, so 50%. I really hope the Blu-ray is a better ratio than that. So we'll leave these right over here. Actually, let me put those back in a box so I don't get them mixed up. I like to know which ones came in my movie horror packs. So here's the ones that I like, the Blu-rays. You know you got an exclusive in here, so I know at least I'm going to get one that's going to be worth the horror pack price. That's why I like the Blu-rays. So let's see what number 1 is. Resident Evil Vendetta, an original CG movie motion picture. I know I own this, but I think I own it on a Walmart steelbook, and it says a 2-disc special edition. So it's got a Blu-ray and a bonus disc. So the bonus disc includes BSAA mission briefing combat areas, designing the world of Vendetta, Tokyo Game Show footage. So I probably don't have the bonus disc. So even though it's something I already have, at least it's got some content that I probably haven't seen. So I'll be keeping that. So the first one, not bad. Number 2. Oh, this is cool. Anna and the Apocalypse, a bloody good time, an absolute blast at the movies. Shaun of the Dead meets La La Land. I think this is a horror musical. And I got this, I think, at the dollar store on DVD. And I didn't know that there was a Blu-ray release of this. So did this just come out in Canada or something maybe? Yeah, it's got a Canadian seal on the back of it down here. So that's probably why. I wonder why Canada got it. It's a slipcover and it's the same cover art. But either way, so that's a cool one. I'm glad that's an upgrade for a DVD that I've got. So the third one, this is a movie I know I've seen. I don't know if I have it on Blu-ray. So even if I haven't, I'll be 3 for 4. But Renee Zellweger, Ian McShane, Bradley Cooper, and Case 39. It has been a long time since I've seen this movie. So it'll be a good rewatch for me because I haven't seen it in a long time. So special features, filed under evil inside Case 39, teaming up the heat of the chill factor inside the hornet's nest, playing with fire, and deleted scenes. I always love deleted scenes. So hey, the Blu-ray has actually been pretty good for the month. So what is the HorrorPack limited edition? Scream Test HorrorPack limited edition Blu-ray. Is that Felissa? What is the girl that was in Sleepaway Camp? Felicia Rose, is that it? That looks like that's who that is on the front. And then here's the back. There you go. Just in case that didn't focus, I'll give you a look at the front. That's her screaming. That's kind of cool. It says, after damaging her vocal cords on her latest low-budget film, veteran scream queen Angie Newborn, bet that's her, is sent to an exclusive isolated resort to rest and recover, but a deranged killer is slaughtering the guests by copying scenes from her movies. It's lights, camera, murder, and this comedic horror romp. Now, you know, they had me with the premise other than comedic horror romp. I don't know if I want a comedy horror. I mean, we'll see. It's only 83 minutes, but that's your exclusive for the month. So really looking forward to seeing that. So what do you think? I think we got a couple winners here on the Blu-ray side. Definitely the exclusive and definitely Anna and the Apocalypse. So I'm giving this this month's Blu-ray horror pack a big thumbs up. What do you guys think? I think it gets a big thumbs up. The DVD though, man, I might just have to give a thumb to the side. Meh, like a meh. It's but the Blu-ray more than made up for it. So let me know what you guys think of these movies in the comments. After you do that, make sure you hit the like button and like this video or dislike it, whichever way you want. Feedback is all I need. And then subscribe to the channel if you haven't already. Then once you subscribe, go ahead and hit the notification bell so you'll be the first to know when I post next month's horror pack or movie reviews, horror reviews, toy hunts, everything pop culture related. That's what we do here. So until next time, boys and girls, this is JeffMan316, your pop culture reporter, signing out saying, you guys be safe out there.